Here I am getting ready to go for another, I don't know how many hour walk, but we'll see how it goes, okay? Well, I'm at 5179 steps out of 15,000 today. Today wasn't even a day that I was actually going to go out and walk, but I thought okay this morning. So I'm sure I'll pay for it later. But anyway, just walking randomly around here, taking turns that I've never been to before, areas I haven't seen, taking pictures of art and things like that. So I'll check in with you at 10,000 steps. So just hit 10,000 steps. I have no idea where I'm at, never been here before. Definitely not a nicer area, but I'm trying to keep it fresh. Yeah, feeling it today. Took me 3 hours to walk 10,000 steps. So that's a lot. Has anybody else gone the 10,000, 15,000 step route? I want to hear from other people. I need to pick up some new shoes. These are some cheap knockoffs that I got in Bangkok. And I'm pretty sure if I got some decent shoes, it would feel better to walk. I just hit 15,000 steps and I'm definitely feeling it. My hamstrings are super tight. I feel like they're being pulled. So I still have a little bit ways to go, maybe another 900 steps. I'll get back to the apartment, but I'm definitely hurting today. So definitely going to take tomorrow off from walking. I might just do the gym for an hour and then possibly go back home and stretch, rest. Well, back at the apartment, total of 15,670 steps, and probably do another 1,000 steps just walking around tonight, who knows. But walking ankle, the stairs, pretty normal. Although I'm very sore right now. I was able to get 2 new shirts. Oop, got dark. Oh, there it is, much better. I picked up 2 new shirts because all I brought with me was this one shirt with me because I didn't think I was going to be leaving the apartment. But luckily, I feel good enough. But I'm definitely worn out. I'm tired. My legs hurt. Pain is weakness leaving the body. Right, Amanda?